aggressive behavior problems in dogs can be classified in different ways. A beneficial scheme for understanding why your dog is aggressive is based on the function or purpose of the aggression. Aggressive behavior in dogs can be a very serious issue. It can not only be dangerous for your family and friends, but it can also be a sign of underlying health issues. It's important to understand the signs of aggressive behavior, and to take steps. Working with a professional dog trainer can be very helpful in teaching your dog. You must visit your veterinarian. They can help you determine if there are any medical issues that may be causing the aggression.
We hope you like this informative video. Please like and share this video. To stay updated, subscribe our channel.